So this first is for P. Now if you want to add, let's type body. I've already told you that to write CSS code for a particular place is this. So when you are through designing that your selector, this first, when I'm through, so I want to design another thing now. To design another thing, what will you do? Just start, leave this place. You can come down. So body. So my website body, I want it to have background color. This color, let's check this color out. You can see background. So I use background like that. Font family, I've taught that before. Sans serif, let's see how this one will. You can see that the font changes. Okay, so that is how to style body. So you now add many other things there. Okay, now what if the space here you want to increase it, as in you want it to move to the front, move to the front. So it's P, this one is P, this one is P. I think I should access all the P. If you want to access all the P, put P. So this one will talk to all the P we have in our document. So is that not margin? Let's try margin and see what will happen. You can see that it is margin. But which type of margin? If you write margin this, it means margin top, left, right, bottom. So it is better you specify it by saying margin left. That is in this left side. You can see. That means it is in this left side you are saying. So if you want to give space here also, you put margin right. If you want to give space in top here, you put margin top. Let me show you. Margin top. Let's use 200 pixel and see what will happen. You see, it moves down. That means margin top, the side we want at this top should be 200 pixel. So that's why it's to come down. So now in this my P, I want to add border to my P. Border. So let's say border, just write only border. Border. The width of the border should be 1 pixel. Solid. I've explained solid before. Red. That means the color of that my border will be red. You can see it's red. There is space here. Why? Is because of this our margin left. So if I put just margin, so there will be space here, there will be space here also. Let's refresh. You can see there is space there. But there is one thing. The space between this our border and this A or L or V, you see it's too much. How can you now give space? See, how can you now give space? That's what is called padding. Padding. To all our P, let's add padding. Let me put 10 pixel and see what will happen. Refresh. You can see now there is space inside. So that is what is called padding. These are margin. Let's reduce it. You can see. So that's what is called padding. What if you want to add border radius? You want this thing to curve. How? Maybe 5 pixel is okay. If it's not small, you can see this place curve, this place curve, this place curve. So that's how you can. If the font is too small or too big, change the font size. You can just use 12 pixel. You see, the font decreases. So you want to decrease again, use 10. You can see it's becoming small. So you see here, in this our body, let's go back to body. You can see we used color that time, but now I don't want to use color again. I want to use image as my background. How will you do that? Let's do it like this. Let me add more sentence to our website. Let's add edu. Welcome to CSS. I want sentence to be many. I just copy and paste. You can see, you can now scroll down. Welcome to CSS. But the space here, this one also should move front. So what will you do? So that is our H, we also move front. So that means you also use margin, so that those one use. What is that thing that wants to use margin? H2 margin. Let's use inherit. So inherit means it should inherit it from the code I've been writing since. As in the code I write for margins that time, which is what 10. So it will now inherit it from there. So now I want to use background. So this inherit now, it will call upon where did I use margin last year. So it inherits this 10 and put it here. I want to use background image. Let me first look for image to use. Um, this is the image I want to use. Let me call it BG background. So let's put inside this folder, img folder. Okay. Please don't forget the file we are working on presently is css.html. We now want to access a file inside this folder. You can see they are inside the same directory. They are inside the same place. So don't put your file in one place and you want to access in another side unless you get correct URL. So it's very easy for us to now access this image folder now. So let's go. So you put background image. So URL. So you put URL, that uniform resource locator. So that is this one that will now locate your file. So where is your file? Ing is inside ing folder. What's the name? bg.jpg. That is the name of the file. Let's refresh and see what we have. Yeah, you can now see the image. The image is there now. But when I'm moving this thing, the image is also moving. So what will you do? Sometimes the image can repeat itself. So to stop that, we write background repeat, no repeat. So that means it's not if, but is not repeating itself. But some small images may use that one will be here, one will be here, one will be here, it will not be plenty. So if you want it to use only one, you just say background repeat, no repeat. That means it should just bring only one. The rest will be hidden. And if you want to position this background, you can see, you can just use right top. But this our background, I think is full. There are some background that will just be only one. So let me look for that very small background that I can use so that we use it to explain better. Let me use this one, download.png, as my background image. Let's see. It's not inside any folder, so I will remove that image folder. Just put that file straight and check. Yes. You see where this image is at the top right. Why? Because I said top right. I put no repeat. Let me use repeat. You can see it's repeating itself. So it's not only one image you see. One is here, one is here, one is here, one is here. It's not repeating itself. But when I say no repeat, that means it should not repeat. Just bring only one. But where you can use center or right top, you can put center to be at the center. But right top, it will